How to log out your Robinhood account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we inside the app. Here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically this is the profile settings. Here you'll be able to view different options and can even customize it. Here at the end, there's a section of logout. Now simply hit on logout. So before doing so, make sure you have your user ID and password saved because later you might need it when you log in. So tap on logout. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, you've been logged out from your account. So you're all set to go now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.